Hello and welcome to another episode of Living Room Reviews. This time we're going to introduce you to yet another new release from Lang Technik called the Makro 4Grip clamping system. The new product line starts a new chapter in the clamping of round parts and comes in the form of two new products: jaws for pre-stamping the workpieces and vices to hold them accordingly. As you might have guessed, the pre-stamping jaws will work hand in hand with the existing Makro grip stamping unit developed by Lang Technik. Pre-stamping technology which allows you to stamp workpieces up to 45 HRC outside of the machine tool with 20 tons of stamping pressure. The indentations which you can see here allow you to grip the workpieces with much higher holding power, resulting in increased material savings, faster cutting rates, reduced vibrations and thus improved part quality. So if you're already in possession of Makro grip stamping unit and vices, you will now be able to apply the benefits of clamping technology for round parts easily and cost efficiently. The jaws will include stamping inserts for individual positioning, as well as matching clamping jaws for all existing and past sizes of centering vices from Lang Technik. As the Makro 4Grip name already suggests, the jaws will grip the pre-stamped part using the 4 indentations at the same low clamping height of just 3 mm. This means that same as before with the Makro grip vices, you will have the great accessibility and stability for 5-axis machining while covering an impressive clamping range from 36 to 300 mm, leaving the lower clamping range to the already existing Prezi Point collet chuck. That's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed my quick review of the Makro 4Grip product line. Please let me know your comments below, stay safe and see you next time.